Enjoy. It's hot outside, and a watermelon agua fresca is the perfect summer drink that keeps us refreshed, hydrated, and is so delicious. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a healthier version of the watermelon agua fresca because I am eliminating any additional sugar. And as a matter of fact, that is one of the challenges that we find when we try to find drinks that are refreshing and hydrating but delicious. They're filled with sugar. But not anymore, because today's recipe, again, I am eliminating any additional sugar and I am using a sweetener of choice, which happens to be allulose. Of course, you can use a sweetener of your choosing, or if sugar is not a concern of yours, then you can do that as well. But for me, allulose is it. So you guys gather everything up and I will show you how easy it is to put together a healthier version of a watermelon agua fresca coming up next. So in this bowl, I have my sliced watermelon, and I went ahead and sliced this off camera. The reason being is because the watermelon that we got happened to have had seeds in it, you guys. If it didn't have the seeds, I would have definitely have shown you how to slice this watermelon. But there are plenty of recipes out there that will show you exactly what to do to slice the watermelon with ease, okay? But again, because of those seeds, I went ahead and took care of all of that off camera. As a matter of fact, as I was doing that, it brought me back to a childhood memory where we used to take the wedge of watermelon, which had seeds in it. One of the things that we used to do, you guys, as children is we used to try to see who could spit the seeds out the furthest. That was, a childhood memory that came to mind as I was taking the seeds out of this. But of course, you know what? We have gone beyond that point now. So anyway, I've got the watermelon here and I have got my blender, which happens to be a NutriBullet. And in this, I'm going to go ahead and add in my watermelon. And as I am putting this in here, I can still see some pieces of watermelon that has seeds in it, but no problem. We are going to make this work. And look at all that delicious juice, you guys. Oh, so good. Okay. Let's put some of this juice in here. All right. So at this point, what I'm going to do is add in just a little bit of sweetener at this point, because this watermelon is really, really sweet. I've already tasted it. Put the lid on this. And that's another way to cut back on your sweetener or sugar, whatever you choose to use as well, is to find yourself a really sweet watermelon. And one of the tips that I heard is that if you find a watermelon that has like a lot of yellow on it, the sweeter the juice. Okay. All right, let's get our blender here. Put this on top and then proceed to blend. And this is blended. All we have here is a liquid. So at this point, you can choose to either put this in the pitcher as is, or you can strain it to get rid of some of the additional pulp. That choice is yours. I'm going to go ahead and strain some of mine. So I've got my pitcher here. So you guys, I share with you one of my childhood memories as it pertains to watermelon. Leave in the comments and let me know some of yours. And just like that. So I'm going to continue on and do exactly the same thing with the rest of this watermelon. All right. This is the last container. That did not take long at all. I'm going to strain it into my pitcher. Get myself a very long straw and enjoy. No, you guys, only kidding. But this right here. Look at that. This is amazing. Okay. All right. Let me go ahead and clear all of this off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I am going to make this my own kind of special with some lemon and some mint. All right, welcome back. So because my NutriBullet is but so big, what I opted to do was to go ahead and blend the watermelon first and then put it in my pitcher, then follow up with the water. But of course, if you have a nice size blender, you can do the water and the watermelon at the same time. So this pitcher is a total of 9 cups. You decide what ratio you want between the watermelon and the water. That is purely up to you. This is, again, is 9 cups. The watermelon juice came up to about 6 cups, so I have about 3 remaining. I think that would be a great ratio to get the flavor that I am looking for. Perfect. Okay, that was like 24 ounces. Next, I want to put some lemon juice in this. And of course, this is to your taste and your liking. But lemon and summer just goes hand in hand. So I think I'm going to put a good bit of lemon in mine. Okay, that's good. So let's set this aside and give this a mix. Let's give this a taste. A little bit more sweetener. After all, you can add it, but you can't take it out. Okay, everyone, the sweet level is good. So let's go ahead and layer in some additional flavor. I've got some lemon and I've got some mint. Go ahead and add the mint leaves to this. Or of course, you can leave them out and add them when you serve it. Totally up to you. Some more lemon. Give this a stir. And you guys, it is time to serve this. So when I come back, I will have my serving containers, some ice, and then we will give this a taste. I am back with our watermelon water. I've got my serving container that is filled with ice. So let's serve ourselves. Let's add a wedge of lemon down in there. Another piece of mint. Get your straw and get ready to enjoy. Time to give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. This is absolutely amazing, you guys. I encourage you to give this a try. It's everything that I said that it is: refreshing, hydrating, and it's oh so delicious. And it's a healthier version because I eliminated adding any additional sugar. Give it a try. Leave in the comments. Let me know that you did. And I also would encourage you to subscribe to my channel, where you will find more delicious, refreshing, easy, healthier versions of the recipes that you love right here on this channel. The subscribe button is below. And also remember to turn on that notification bell. So you guys remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And enjoy.